Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change a language in Snapchat app. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. And now after you're landing on this interface, to change our language we must first go to our profile by tapping on the profile icon on the top left corner of your phone, or the Bitmoji icon on the top left corner of your phone. Tap there. And after that, you can see the settings icon available on the top right corner of your phone. Tap on the settings icon or the gear icon. And now after landing over here, we need to find the option which says language, and it's over here just above the voice scan option available over here on the bottom of your screen. You can see the language option. Tap there. And after that, currently my language is also English, which is the system default language. And if you want to change to any of these languages, just tap over like this and you can see the change option will appear over here. Now let's cancel it for now, and I still want my default language to be English. If I wanted to tap Japanese, tap like this, and when you tap on the change option available over here like this, the language will be changed in our Snapchat app to Japanese. And after restarting, and let's again go to the profile by tapping on the profile icon or the Bitmoji icon on the top left corner, and you can see everything has changed to Japanese. And there guys, this is how you can change your language in Snapchat app. Changing your language in Snapchat app is this easy, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.